right.
Welcome to Will Motivation. Holla.
Man, I raced. Man, let me tell y'all a car that's fast that was out there that I raced. Man, I raced Mod to Fame. No, not Mod to Fame. I did race Mod to Fame. Hey, that's another story. That's another story. But I raced Wheel Motivation. Whoa! That Wheel Motivation got a badass Lambo, guys. But I tell you, that Lambo is bad. That man is a beautiful car. The Lambo. Will's Motivation, his Lambo, it's fast. It's fast, man. That Lambo was getting down with it.
So I'm headed to Jegs. I had to make a pit stop.
Turn left onto Interstate 71
before I
south
actually
towards
hit
Cincinnati.
Before I actually hit
now
the road
turn left
to Cleveland.
Make a U-turn if possible.
Because Demonology is going to race Will Motivation, and he asked for a slight advantage. He asked for some NOS.
Turn left.
Here, Stewie, try this. Yeah, what the hell are you doing? Whoa! Oh my! Suddenly I'm full of energy. All right, fat man, let's do this. Wow, Stewie, you look like a new man. Well, will you look at me? I have the power!
Demonology, I didn't mean to tell you a secret, but I am going to take care of that for you. I'm going to Jegs right now. Let's go. All right, let's hit this real quick. In case you guys don't know, a Jegs, that's Jegs. That's where we get everything. I'm gonna grab this stuff for Demonology, this NOS real quick, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, Demonology, I got you. I got you. There it is. Got it for you.
So I really want to give this a try, and they were kind enough to send this out to me, so we'll see how it goes. Let this thing open up here. All right, looks like I'm gonna have to go beast mode, guys. I'm gonna go with the 103 because I really want to make sure that I have enough octane. I'm gonna go with the 103 because I really want to make sure that I have enough octane.
Alright, so here it is, the first official race between a Lamborghini Huracan and a Dodge Demon on the track.
Yeah, I need to lose it first.
And we got some guys challenging us. But this is the first official race between a Huracan and Dodge Demon. So, according to Dodge, I should lose this race. And according to my experience, this will be my second track race ever. I should lose, but let's see. It should be an interesting race, right? He's not going to kill me that bad, I don't think. We was looking for you now.
Your soul has been acquired by Moco.
Not yet. Not yet. Hey, we not changing the tree. I heard about your tricks.
What you want? You want a full tree?
I want the standard 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Standard tree. You ready? All right, so we're gonna race Demonology. Let's. You got a winner. You got a winner. We're gonna see if we got any tricks, man. We gotta see. Demonology got all this special techniques and tree tricks.
If you want to take the right,
Yeah, okay.
I got the camera over here.
Yeah, that's cool.
Can we put the camera on his car for the right? Where's the camera? I think it's in the side.
All right, man. I'll see you up there.
My nigga! 10-5. Will motivation. First time. That's what's up. My nigga.
Hey, he did good pulling out too.
Oops, we might have to edit that.
I need NOS. I need NOS.
No.
My car topped out at 140 miles per hour this morning.
Amateurs don't use nitrous oxide. I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot. You'll blow yourself to pieces.
I need one of these. One of the big ones. Actually, you know, let's make it two. An area. I need it by tonight.
All right, guys.
I need NOS. I need NOS.
No.
My car topped out at 140 miles per hour this morning.
Amateurs don't use nitrous oxide. I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot. You'll blow yourself to pieces.
I need one of these. One of the big ones. Actually, you know, let's make it two. An area. I need it by tonight.
About to be the race.
All right, so Demonology's nervous. She ran up, didn't wait for me. We trying to figure out what side of the car to get on.
All right, guys, you got real motivation. Lambo, Huracan.
So maybe we can get Demonology to screw up, but I have no idea really what's gonna happen.
I'm gonna put the cameras on the other side, bro. I'm gonna put the cameras on the other side. My bad.
All right. So he wants the right hand lane?
Yeah, you're gonna be on the left hand side.
All right. Thing is, I can't let him tree me too bad. That's the thing.
Roll your window up.
We got him here. Got me by a little teeny weeny bit. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, I was on his ass. 10-5, 10-6. 10-5. If I had ran the 10-5, I might have got him that last time. I was on that ass, and look at my mile per hour. My mile per hour was higher than his. I was about to snatch that soul. Snatch that soul. Hey, but he got me. That was a great race. 10-5, 10-6. That's some good footage right there. Maybe he might want to do it again. We might have to do that again.
Hey, look. Hey, look. We misjudged. The fuel guy here told us he was leaving that way.
He got me.
Oh, I got
But
you.
I know you saw me coming. I know you saw me
I waited on you. I waited on you.
So he got gas issues.
Hey, this is a bad guy right here.
You're killing it.
Hey, that's a F-150.
What's the name? Hey, man, where's Dre at with that?
You said it's stock.
Stock engine, stock trans.
Stock tune.
It's tuned and a blower.
Okay.
So it's blower, headers.
What year is that?
18.
Okay. Hey,
so
man.
It's 10 speed. Yeah, we trying to have some fun. Let's see what the Huracan. I saw him, but I gotta feel it.
But I'll tear him up.
I gotta feel it. I mean, I gotta punch his chance.
You got all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
That's a dope truck though, man. I don't know. We can get it in real quick.
Let's do it.
But you know what? He got to get his camera though. Find this dude. That's his camera on my car. But yeah, so Demonology got my soul, but I was coming to get his. We supposed to do a rematch, and he started talking about some fuel or something. So I don't know about that. Yes, sir. That was fun though, man.
From that, guys, I know that I can mix 8 ounces of butane per 5 gallons. What that gives me is right at 101 octane.
If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Sherrville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there.